Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning let's enter Google Pay and tap blue button at the bottom of the screen. Focus on loyalty, gift card and public transport. Firstly let's select loyalty and select loyalty card you want to add, for example Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Now let's select gift card and similarly to loyalty card select shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. And at the end let's select public transport. If you are able to find your public transport selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.